Hey, Mark here. I want to send a shout out to Ryan at Auto Detour. Followed your 10th gen build of a turbo 5.4 a couple years back. Kind of helped you out with some tips and advice here and there. And now it's my turn. I'm finally trying to play catch up with you here. Ole Betsy here came to me with 309,000 miles on her. She got 345 now. Started acting up a couple months ago. Found out she was leaking coolant. Went into a couple of the spark plug tubes and was causing misfires, running rough, and so I finally decided, you know what, we're right around the corner from doing this build, time to get it started. So since I don't have a year, and because I end up doing a lot of towing, I went with the Lightning supercharger motor, and we're actually building the forged motor to go with it as we speak. So it's going to be the whole shot all at once, and we'll get to the transmission later, obviously, when it can't handle all this horsepower. But yeah, she's been a good truck. Didn't come to me quite like this. I did a lot of the upgrades, you know, with the headlights and the fog lamps, replaced the front valance because it was busted up, put a little bit bigger tires, and had to put the tow mirrors on. These come off of the Expedition. They're the only ones that fit the crew cabs. And just got the cylinder heads off, as you can see here. So they're going in to get a 3-angle valve job. Got some comp cams to put in it, so that should help it breathe a little bit better, maybe make a little bit more horsepower. That's the plan. And as you can see here, she is torn down and put the bigger 2-inch radiator, 3-core radiator in it. Going to go with electric fans. Got a Walbro 450 fuel pump that's going to go in it in place of the duals that come on the Lightning. And then what else have we got? Got a whole bunch of little stuff planned for it. Don't remember all the details off the top of my head, but just kind of giving you an overview. This is where we're at, and hopefully in about a month's time we'll be done and have it up on the road and running, and maybe even go get a dyno test on it and see what kind of numbers she makes. So we will talk to you soon and try to keep you updated. But yeah, time is kind of tight. Don't always have time to film these, so we'll do the best we can. All right, talk to you soon. See you later, YouTube.